Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your pre-made lash fans if you use those for your volume sets like I do. I find that setting them up this way makes lashing faster. So I hope this helps. You just need a couple things. I got these pads here from Amazon, and then your lashes, little Sharpie pin, and then your tweezers. And I like to use a pointy tweezer for this. I just find that it picks up the pre-made, the little fans easier. So okay, like I said, these are pretty inexpensive. I got the one that comes, I think, a pack of 4, and they come in different colors. I've ordered the clear as well, but I would not go with the clear. The pink is much easier to see the fans on. When I use the clear, it's hard to see them. So I would go with the pink if I was you. And then we'll get our lashes here. And this side is sticky. Not too crazy, but sticky enough to keep the fans in place. So you can set this up however you like it. What I like to do is use the 4 most common sizes or lengths that I use with sets, and I'll make like 2 rows. So we'll start with 10 millimeters. And you don't have to do 2 rows. By doing that, you don't have to put, reset it up so many times. And I'm not going to fill the whole thing up. I'll fast forward and show you at the end. But I find by doing this, it really makes it faster. I mean, I've done it both ways where I just open up the box and see how they're all kind of mangled together. So you have to really kind of work to get one. But by putting them on the pad, it goes much faster. I mean, you have to take the time to refill it, but your lash time will go much faster. And people are impatient these days, as you probably know. So they want to get out of there. But so, like I said, I like to do 2 rows. So I would do 2 rows of 10s. And then we'll grab our 11 millimeter. And you can do whatever lengths. These are just what I use the most, I would say. I mean, I have some clients that like the longer lengths. Okay, so these are 11s. We'll do 2 rows. I don't know if you can hear my little cardinal. I'm sitting by my window. I have a bird feeder, and I have a group of baby cardinals that have been visiting. I love it. Okay, so I got 2 rows there. Okay, now I'm doing the 12 millimeter. Let me know in the comments what you all like to use. Do you use the pre-mades, or do you like making your own fans? They're both beautiful. And then lastly, I'm going to do the 13s. This is actually my brand of lashes. You can check out my Instagram. I'll link it below. You can kind of see what the volume sets look like. I like it because they're very fluffy. They've got a thin base. These are my 13s. So I'll speed this up because I know you all don't want to watch me fill up this whole pad. But these are great. Like I said, it really helps with my lashing time. It goes much faster than having to, again, kind of try to pull these apart. So I will finish up here, and then I'll show you also, I use my little Sharpie to label how to label it. Okay, so there you have it. And again, you can set it up however you like. If you prefer to do one row of each length, you can. I like to do two just so I don't have to fill up the pad as often. Saves a little bit more time. But I also wanted to give you a little tip on when you're placing the fan on the pad and taking it off. So put the when I'm loading up the pad and putting the fans on, I like to try to keep the tips, the lighter tips, off of the pad because it is sticky. And so I try to really kind of just adhere it to the top of the base, the top of the base to the pad, because when the little lighter part of the fan hits the pads, it tends to, not always, but it can tear or damage the fan. So, and then when you're also taking them off a little tip, I find it easiest to kind of you don't want to kind of take it off of the tip. Again, you can damage those lighter, more delicate tips. Kind of go closer to the base and then pull it forward towards you. Okay? Okay, and then lastly, I'll show you how I label my pads. So I like to do what type of curl it is and the diameter. So I'll just kind of put it in the corner. These are 8D C curl. And if you want to label each row, you can, but I sometimes, like I said, I will go back and forth. I'll do 2 rows, and then if I'm in a hurry, sometimes I'll just put like a single row. But that's usually all I do is just the curl and the diameter. So I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, or if you already use these pads and have some more tips for us, I'd love to hear them. Okay, thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Also, if you would like to get more tips like this and aesthetics advice, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks.